How to install VMware. To install the VMware we need to download the VMware from any of internet browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox etc. Go to browser and search for VMware Workstation. Click on Download VMware Workstation Pro. After clicking the above option, it will open a VMware official website. If you are a Windows user, click on the Download Now option on the left side. If you are a Linux user, then click on the right side Download Now option. After clicking on Download Now, it will start the downloading and hardly it will take few minutes based on your internet bandwidth. After the workstation download is complete, go to Download folder in your local disk. Right-click on the VMware file and select Run as Administrator. It will ask the permission to install the workstation in your PC/laptop. Then click on Yes. Follow the above steps to install VMware successfully. Creating a virtual machine in VMware Workstation. After we have installed VMware successfully on our PC, it is time to create a virtual machine. Select Custom Configuration Wizard. Select Virtual Machine Hardware Compatibility and then the operating system media. Name the virtual machine name and location. Allocate the processors. Allocate the memory for virtual machine. Choose the network configuration. Select disk type and select virtual disk. Select disk capacity. Specify virtual disk file. Create virtual machine. Supply Kali Linux ISO image to virtual machine. Install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Power on the virtual machine. Welcome Kali virtual machine and select language and location. Select a keyboard layout. Software detect and installation media. Configure the network and the host name for the system. Create domain name. Create an admin account. Partition the disk and select time zone. Installation of Kali Linux in progress. Reboot the machine after installation. There you have it, power on the VM by clicking the power on this virtual machine option. The Kali Linux installer should boot from the ISO image. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Kali Linux. During the installation process, you'll be prompted to configure various settings, including your keyboard layout, disk partitioning, and user account. When prompted to select software packages, you can choose the default settings for a standard Kali Linux installation or customize it based on your needs. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, remove the installation ISO from the virtual CD/DVD drive. Reboot your VM. Remember that Kali Linux is a powerful tool with a specific focus on penetration testing and security auditing. Always use it responsibly and in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Cyberx Innovations for more insights.